In this tutorial, I am going to describe about data engineering roadmap. There are 15 steps. 1. SQL. Second, use Noto, Python, ETL, extract, transform and load. Fourth is Spark, big data technology, Hadoop, Spark. Then fifth, data modeling. Sixth, data warehousing. 7. Data management system, MySQL, PostgreSQL, etc. 8. Cloud platform, Azure, AWS, Google Cloud. Data integration. 10th, data quality management. 11th, scripting language, shell scripting. 12th, workflow management tools, Apache, Airflow. 13. Version control system like Git. 14. Data governance, and last, streaming technology like Apache Kafka.